Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel under Tropical Plants and Cooking. For this video guys, I'm going to show you how to simply propagate or plant Tradescantia nano. This one. So I'm going to trim some of the branch because they're getting long. And then we will plant it over here. I got a pot with mixed potting soil that is all ready. And we're just gonna do it quick and simple. So come join me and let's do the propagating or planting Tradescantia. So for now, I'm going to put hole in my soil. Maybe we can put 1, 2, or maybe wrong. We'll do 3. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut this one. This is leaning over here in this side. So we're gonna cut it that way. There. And then we can cut one more over here. This one. And then I think that's about this. And then I cut this in half. Like that. And so we can plant these guys directly right away, like that. That's it. And then this one will go over there. Let's take off that root. Like that. And then the last one. So that's it guys. We're not gonna water it because the soil, I water it already. And then that's all. It's already done. And then by 2 to 3 weeks, it's gonna be like this. Okay guys, and then I will update you again. So I hope you enjoy our simple and quick and easy propagation of Tradescantia nano. So bye for now and have a great day.